Welcome home to Suite 310 at 930 East 7th. This completely renovated one-bedroom home at Windsor Park is a top floor corner unit which is ready for you to move right in. Enjoy your morning coffee on your private and bright east-facing balcony. The renovations were completed only a year ago, which include updated plumbing and electrical in the suite, new engineered maple hardwood flooring, custom oak cabinetry in the kitchen with quartz countertops, and all new appliances. The bathroom has a new vanity, tub, tiles, and fixtures. There's also a bonus in-suite washer-dryer, secured parking, a storage locker, and a bike room with the unit. Windsor Park is a trouble-free, well-maintained building that has had many updates. Mount Pleasant neighborhood can't be beat. It's only 1 block to VCC, across the street from China Creek Park, Emily Carr, and it's only a quick walk to the SkyTrain station, shops, and transit.